Unfortunately, guys, today we're... Ooh, is that a fucking balloon? Why is it so fucking wet? I just want to cuddle with it. I want to cuddle with you. You know what? No, you guys already get way too much princess treatment. Who's texting me? $300? What the? Someone offered me $300 for my car. I love Facebook Marketplace. You know what else I love? Garlic bread. Oh my god! Sorry. Guys, I'm pregnant with Angel's baby. Should I put my exhaust? Happy birthday. Wait, it's upside down. Happy... Is it gonna come back down? Is it not gonna come back? Come back! Check this shit out. What was that ball called from the TV show? Fushigi! Don't you fucking hit Kiwi! I'm the only one that can hit her. Isn't the right Kiwi? Sorry, I'm going crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. Z, put me in a room. Until there's no rest time. I really want to pop this with my exhaust. You know what I like to eat? I like to eat garlic bread. Have you guys ate garlic bread? Fuck! It's so good.
Yes, I'm a simp.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hola.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like what you...
Toyota.
Pizza, pasta, put it in the box. Bring it here and put it on my tongue. Tortellini on my mini, pepperoni on the walls. Cheesy on my beanie and some salsa on my balls.
Internet is a horrible place, and I'm here to make it worse.
Nifty, I was never good at math, but let's just try to get this over with. If Alistair had 19 bottles of dish soap, and I took away
Why does he have so much soap?
Mind your business, Nifty! It's my life! Damn! Gonna make you wish that I'd stayed gone. Oh, Charlie, Adam isn't totally useless. He can be used as a bad example. You little... How the hell does an ID expire? I'm the same person. Oh, Charlie, I have an idea for a game. It's called hide and seek. I hide, and you seek professional help. Or the reason why I smile, because you're such a joke.
My brain won't shut the fuck up when I try to go to bed. Suddenly all kinds of thoughts start racing round my head. Sometimes creative visions and sometimes just creeping dread. Or re-evaluations of the stupid things I've said. Lying in the darkness, in the silence on my own. Trying hard to go to sleep and not look at my phone. Wanting to wake somebody but staring at the void instead. My brain won't shut the fuck up when I try to go to bed.